What's going on, guys? This is Marcus with Creation Fishing. Just going to do a real quick video here on rigging these micro finesse jigs, 3.5 grams. Going to go ahead and rig them up to see what they look like once they're done being rigged. So I got these from a place called Cuties out in Mesa. I did a video on these before a while back, but just a real quick video to show. I'm mainly going to be using these for BFS stuff, and I'm just going to show you how I get them all rigged. So I got one here that is the color on it is going to be the green pumpkin. Looks like we got a black one, another green pumpkin, and then, oh wait, I'm sorry, this is brown, and this is a green pumpkin. So another black one. As you can see, I kind of like the black one more because it's got a bit of red flake to it. I don't know if you can see that right there. So it's kind of why I like the black one a little bit better. So let's go ahead and go over these jigs real quick. I'll do the black one because it's got better resolution. I'll go ahead and open one up. Here's the jig. This is what she looks like. Got a nice silicone skirt. As you can see, it's wire tied for the skirt. It's got a weed guard, and it's actually pretty sharp. Let's kind of give you an idea. It really digs into my nails. So, believe it or not, these are about $1.75 for this jig. And you pretty much don't have to do, in my opinion, don't have to do really any modifications to it because it's got flares out already. It's all good to go. So here is the jig. And then we're going to go ahead and go into my little box here with my Ned rig stuff. And we're going to pull out craw. So here's a craw. And I'm going to pull out a little bug. And pull out a different color craw. So here's another different color craw. Alright. Put that aside. So these are the craws made by the famous for Ned rigging. These are the Ned Craws. So we got a green pumpkin. Not sure what color this is. I'm just gonna. And then we got a little bug right here for this craw. So we're gonna go ahead and rig them up. So since this is on a black, I'll go ahead and just rig up this black one. Now get this skirt pulled down here so I can get access to the hooky hook. The hooky hook, the hooky hook, the hooky hook. Alright, there's the hook. I'm going to go ahead and do the comparison here. You can see why this is a perfect setup for this little jig. Go ahead and rig her up. Right about there. Hey, look at that. Perfect little setup. And there, my friends, is the jig. With it all nice and rigged up. And the Ned Craw. So this is what she looks like. Nice and hooked up. Really liking that setup. I have caught a few fish on this setup before, so it works really well. So yeah, that is the video and how I rig the craw. And then of course, if you use braided line, you never want to use your regular traditional what's it called, cinch knot or improved cinch knot. You want to use the polymer knot because the cinch knot will slip out. I've heard it happen. It has happened to me before. Anytime I do a braid to the lure, I will always use a polymer knot, not a cinch knot or improved cinch knot. But yeah, this is the setup. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like with the green pumpkin. Let's go ahead and grab, should I match it with, let's see. So this is kind of a green pumpkin. You guys can get a close look at it. And this is more, it's like a lighter green type of deal. Small rubber jig. It's made by Daiso, surprisingly. And again, it's about $1.75. Here's some more of the details on it. They actually make their own craw, which is kind of interesting to put on this jig. Again, this is 3.5 grams. You can buy these in bulk too, which is actually what I'm thinking about doing. But let's tie this one on. Or not tie it on, but let's put it on a craw. Actually, we'll put this one on a bug. This one seems to have a little bit more skirt on it than this black one did. See the difference? But it should work just as good. So again, this is it close up. It looks like the weed guard, the wire tie, round head. Alright, let's go ahead and put the bug on. See what she says. Right about in the middle there, so. There it is. This is what it looks like with the bug. Then of course, you can obviously, is this melted together? No, I just gotta break it apart. Alright, there it is with the Ned rig bug. Or the Ned bug. That's what she looks like. Let's see. If it comes out long enough. And again, straight off the package. Sharp as hell. But yeah, this is the bug. So you can see the two different setups here. That's awesome. That's just such a awesome little bait, and considering it's just like $1.75 for the jig, and then you can get these in the Ned packs that they sell with the TRDs and all that, and those are like $15 at Bass Pro. So this is a good thing for budget fishing. Let's go ahead and do this guy now. And we're going to go ahead and do him on the green pumpkin. So you guys can see what that looks like. So here you can see straight out the package what it looks like. Ooh, this one's not sharp. Ah, that's my first dull one. First dull one. That's okay. That's okay. That's why we have a hook sharpener. So here we go. So we're not wasting anything. So I'm probably doing this hook sharpener wrong, but hey, you know what? It should work. You all saw how dull it was before. Let's check it now. See the little, well, let me see this through the window, but, and look at that. Right after hook sharpener, nice and sharp. These work. Get yourself some. They work. Prevent you from wasting hooks. Hook sharpener. Okay. Alright, off that tangent. Now we're going to go ahead and rig up another one. And she's going to go right through. Right through, right through. Right here, right here. Alright, alright, alright. There we go. And push it up. Boom. Boom. That right there's money, man. That right there will catch them. That will catch them. Alright, guys. So here are your setups. Make this look pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Alright, then we got the book. That works beautiful. Look at that. Such a hot lineup right there. So perfect. Now, obviously these could be rigged with other things, but this is my preferred method. I like to rig them with Ned Craws because they're about 3 inches, roughly. 3.5 inches, something like that. And perfect for a 3.5 gram bait. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And again, this is Marcus with Creation Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And again, if you want to buy these jigs, you can purchase them at a place called Cuties out in Mesa. They're $1.75. They even actually go down to as small as 2.5 grams. So they do go lighter. This is one of the perfect baits for BFS fishing. And you see, I tied this one onto a Ned. This is from Wilson Custom Baits. So I tied one on there. I got a couple hits off of this. It was just something different to do to see if it would work. I'm always testing out the limits, or testing out different baits and seeing if what would work, what wouldn't work. But this is something that, quite frankly, could work. So again, this is the Ned bait from Wilson Custom Baits. So I'm going to continue to fish. I didn't fish it for very long, but yeah, this is it. This is what it looks like on there. Pretty cool setup. So there is your 3 different methods on rigging it, or 4 different methods, I should say. Can't freaking count. Actually, it's 3 because it's one method. Anyways, moving right along. Oop. So that's it, everybody. Thank you for watching. And again, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And tight lines. Hope you enjoy. And thank you very much. Have a good one, y'all.